Look here. Now, multiplicative inverse. You studied that 2 raised to minus 3 is 1 by 2 raised to. Multiplicative inverse means change the denominator and numerator separately. That is 2 raised to 3. If it is multiplied by 2 raised to 3, you get 1. For example, 3 by 4 is a fraction. If you multiply it by 4 by 3, that is multiplicative inverse. You get 1. 3 and 3, 4 and 3. Okay. So 4 by 3 is the multiplicative inverse of 3 by 4. Already you studied that. A number multiplied by another number, you get 1. Then the numbers are multiplicative inverse to each other. Otherwise, you may call the reciprocals. Reciprocals. Already you studied reciprocals. Okay. 3 by 4 is the reciprocal of 4 by 3 and 4 by 3 is the reciprocal of. Then our question is, what is the multiplicative inverse of 3 raised to minus 2? Your answer is 3 raised to 2. Look at here. 3 raised to minus 2 into 3 raised to 2 is 3 raised to and 0. You get 1. Okay. So the multiplicative inverse of 3 raised to minus 2 is 3 raised to 2. What is the multiplicative inverse of 10 raised to minus 4? Your answer is 10 raised to 4. So if you multiply, you get 1, not 0, 1. Okay. The answer is 10 raised to 0 and that's equal to 1. So what is the multiplicative inverse of 7 raised to minus 2? Your answer is 7 raised to 2. 7 raised to minus 2 into 7 raised to 2 equal to 1. This sign മാറ്റിയിട്ടാൽ answer ആയി. They are multiplicative inverse to each other. Otherwise, they are reciprocals. Okay? And it's a question in your notebook, the textbook, page number 194. Page number 194. Is it over? Next, look very carefully. Now there's a number. Okay. Your question is, expand the following numbers by using exponents. All the numbers expressed as the exponent of 10. Look very carefully here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 means the position is actually it is 74,565. അതായത് 5 നമ്പർ ഉണ്ടെങ്കിൽ 10 raised to 4 എന്നാ തുടങ്ങുക. 10,000 ആണ്. 7 10,000 കാണിച്ചില്ല. 7 into 10,000 plus അടുത്തത് 4 into 1,000 plus 5 into 100 plus 6 into 10 plus 5 into 10 raised to 0 means unit place. ഇതാണ് ഇതിന്റെ സ്പ്ലിറ്റ്. ഓൾറെഡി യു സ്റ്റഡിഡ്. 7, 10,000, 4,000, 500, 6 tens and 5 units. And 10,000 is 10 raised to 4, 1,000 is 10 raised to 3, 100 is 10 raised to 2, 10 is 10 raised to 1, and the last is 10 raised to 0. That's our answer. Express in exponential form. You get the idea? Exponential form. അപ്പോൾ നിങ്ങൾ എന്താ ഈ 5 നമ്പർ ഉണ്ടെങ്കിൽ 10 raised to 4 എന്ന് തുടങ്ങാം. Okay. And better the other programs are right with me. Your question is expressed in exponential form. 7,683. Are you ready? 1, 2, 3, 4 means 10 raised to 3. Yeah. 4 എണ്ണമാണെങ്കിൽ 10 raised to 3. അടുത്ത നിങ്ങളൊക്കെ പറയാം 6 into 10 raised to 2, 8 into 10 raised to 1, last 3 into 10 raised to 0. That's our answer. Write in exponential form. This is your answer. Okay. Now 1,25,863. Are you ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. അപ്പോൾ 10 raised to 5 എന്ന് തുടങ്ങാം. 6 സ്പേസ് ഉണ്ടെങ്കിൽ 5. Lakhs ആണ്. Next 2 into 10 raised to 4, 5 into 10 raised to 3, 8 into 10 raised to 2, 6 into 10 raised to 1, and last 3 into 10 raised to 0. Unit place, 10th place, 100th place, 1000th place, 10,000 place, and lakhs. 6 ഉണ്ടെങ്കിൽ 10 raised to 5. Are you ready? Better you write with me. Then the next one is 68,490. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 means started with the 10 raised to 4. Next 8 into 10 raised to 3. 4 into 10 raised to 2. 1 into 10 raised to 1. And last 9 into 10 raised to 0. You get the idea how to express a number in exponential form. This is the exponential form of this number. Are you ready? Look here. 769.43. Now started with 7, there are 3 places. So started with 2. 6 into 10 raised to 1, 9 into 10 raised to 0. Now the natural numbers are over. These are decimal places. So the first, be very careful here. First decimal is 10 raised to minus 1. 0 kanya minus 1. And the second decimal is 10 raised to minus 2. Third decimal is 10 raised to minus 10. Actually, this is 1 by 10, 1 by 100, 1 by 1000. This is the way you express in exponential form. But decimal endengil the first decimal, second decimal, third decimal. Over. One more example. 78.659. There are 2 decimals, so 7 into 10 raised to 1 and plus 8 into 10 raised to 0. That's over. Now 78 is over. This place is decimal. So 6 into 10 raised to minus 1, 5 into 10 raised to minus 2 and 9 into 10 raised to minus 3. Is it over? Are you ready? Now I think it is completed. So page number 194 once again. Try this. You complete that exam. Okay? The similar examples. Page number 194 le ആദ്യം തന്നെ ഒരു homework ഉണ്ട്. The second homework കേട്ടോ. Is it over? Next question. Simplify. Just a minute. I will give you a break. I will give you a break. So I will give you problems of this later. Okay? All the best.